Hi, my name is Debbie Savage and I am here at the marketplace in Tustin, right outside the Corepower Yoga Studio. So excited to try my first class and here to celebrate their 6 weeks of fitness. If you are a beginner or seasoned yogi, Corepower Studio is the perfect place for you. Every muscle will be worked and activated, as well as your emotions, because this experience is going to transform you from the inside out. I am in their beautiful studio. I love the vibe. So excited to start the class, but I just want to let you know how important yoga is to me. It helps me feel happy, grounded, and mindful. You guys, the class was just amazing. The music, the community, the heat, it was incredible. I can't wait for you guys to try it, and I just want you to remember that yoga is about the practice, not about perfection. And I love getting in there and working on my body alignment. It just feels so good. I think it's pretty remarkable that the marketplace is giving back to our community, back to you, with their 6 weeks of fitness giveaway. Head over to their Instagram. Each week they're going to provide information on their giveaways for gym memberships, swag, athletic wear, supplements, so definitely check it out. As part of the marketplace fitness giveaway series, Corepower Yoga in Tustin is giving away a gym membership as well as other fitness goodies, so I definitely want you guys to take part of this. It's so easy to give away by following at the marketplace OC and at Corepower Yoga. Make sure to like the post and tag 3 friends, and you need to do that from the marketplace's Instagram account featuring. Good luck, you guys. I'm so excited to find out who will win this amazing giveaway, and I will see you next time. Bye.